Now let's try this again. So these down here are both 17 millimeters. These are both factory bolts. So I just did not happen to have another wrench handy for the 17 millimeter. So I don't know if you can see where I have this up here, but it is just in here between the disc brake and the swing arm. So I guess this is going to be one of those where you have to continually swing around. I would try to go in from the side through that disc brake, but the socket doesn't fit like I had hoped it would. That's one of those nuts that you have to flip your wrench over between every turn. Because it does not make a complete turn. So the one I'm working on now is the adjustable bolt. So the top one was a stationary, right? That's what holds the whole swing arm in place. And then this one down here is the one that is tightened and loosened when you need to adjust your chain tightness. So hopefully these tiny little turns will get us loose here pretty quick. Looks like I'm starting to see a little bit of space in between the lock washer and the swing arm. Let's see. Not yet. I do think that is probably going to be enough. If you're watching this video, feel free to hit the laugh button down there. Alright, there's plenty loose now, I believe. So now the next thing we need to do is we need to work on the bolts here to loosen off the swing arm. So that's where the adjustments are. Having some technical difficulty with my camera here. Please stand by. There we go. There we go. Good angle. So for this purpose, for this part, the adjusting nuts or the tightening nuts are 12 millimeter on mine. These, the bolts themselves, are 10 millimeters. So it's always good to have both, because if not, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, that's plenty loose. I can see that moving now. Lesson learned. Do this before. Alright, now we loosen this off. Once you get that nut loose, you can just back that off with your fingers. Let's see. Make sure both of those are plenty loose. That swing arm now will move somewhat freely. Yeah, and that's how you loosen off both of the bolts and the chain tightener tensioner bolts off of the swing arm. If you like this video, if you thought it was funny, if you thought it was horrible, please hit the like button still. And thank y'all. I hope y'all all have a great evening.